You guys already know what's going on. We already got the Evo X on the dyno, and here at English Racing. Here we are, and we actually got the owner here today. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Bernardo. This is my Evo 10. We basically decided to do a twin scroll kit, so we went with the ETS 6466 kit. Yeah, basically have a couple bolt-ons, just some fuel, Walbro 525 from the Hellcat, fuel line, fuel filter, and FIC 1200s.
There you go. So we'll see what it does. Definitely should make good power. How much power are you thinking it's gonna make?
I'm hoping for 5, but we'll see. We need to keep it under 400 torque from all the
stock
forums
block.
I've seen. Yeah, stock block. That's the most important part here.
Yeah. There you go. So we'll definitely see. Never been an Evo feature on the channel, but there's first things for everything. So as you guys can see in today's dyno room, we got the Integra. This one's the first Integra to go over 200 miles per hour in the half mile. So it's pretty crazy. What happened, Bernard?
He did first pull, and he already cracked the waste main.
Already cracked the waste down the dyno. Focus, maybe 15 pounds. And we're making 380 or 345 and 245 torque. All right, Bernard, here we go. Second pull.
Second pull of the day.
So this will most likely be the final pull pump gas. What are your thoughts so far?
So far it's pretty good. It's roughly around what I thought.
Pretty crazy, Bernardo.
Yep, we'll see what race gas is.
That might be the end of it. I predicted 510. Bernardo predicted like 280.
Oh yes.
So that's pretty much gonna call it good for pump gas right there. 503 horsepower and 346 torque. And right now we got it, you can see we're emptying out the old fuel and we're gonna put in the new race gas in there.
$573.
Jesus Christ! Mira nomás. What do you gotta say, Bernardo?
A 30 PSI, no mames.
Those poor stock head bolts, bro.
I think I heard him stretch.
That one made 584 at 418 torque. What do you gotta say, Bernardo?
Ahorita vamos a ver qué pedo.
He wants to catch smoke. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if it's not too much to ask, go ahead and leave a like on this video. It really helps me out, helps the channel grow, makes better videos for you guys. So at the end of the day, we all win. You guys absolutely killed it on the last dyno day video with, I can't remember the exact number of likes on that one, but you guys absolutely killed it on that. So if we can get so much of that would make my day. But anyways, for the next video, we're gonna be taking this Evo 10 that you guys just saw to Mexico. So that'll be a pretty cool video to see. And as always guys, I'll see you guys next time.